let me call us the culture. You're violating them, you're not leaving them at peace, and then you're killing them.
You did, but we mwenyewe sasa after they did, your conscience, like wewe mwenyewe utakuwa na your self guilt, utakunaje. I don't think kuna mtu amefanya hiyo act and then anaishi like normal before he did whatever he did.
By them, without rules, actually we are all damn in hell. Because I don't know where we are going.
Okay.
Even in the toilet, not even at school, even in the toilet. You're taking a lot of money from the society, saying that we will not report you, what. But remember, the innocent blood is still crying.
Shine Plus TV.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Keza. If you're new here, if you are new here, I guess the rest of you people mnajua jina yangu, mimi naitwa Keza. Today I'm here with my beautiful sis.
Esther, guys.
Okay, so that's Mini Keza, and you have heard her name. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video, comment, and don't forget to leave a comment. So today we are here for one major reason actually, because we have seen, tumeona vitu zenye zimekuwa zikiendelea guys, and we are deeply saddened because kusema tu ukweli, there's a lot that is going on, and in the world generally kuna vitu mingi zinaendelea, si ndio?
Yeah.
And it's very sad that we as people tuna like we are having a hand in whatever is going on. Like ni sisi tunaendelea kujipea sleepless nights, and you know, so nyendo tunajideny peace. What do you have to say about whatever is going on, Esther?
Actually, before I embrace the topic, I give warm greetings to those who have missed us on our Shine Plus TV. We love you so much, even as we missed you. And the delay of switching you on our channel, we apologize because things weren't going that good. I wasn't feeling that well, and I thank God that I was healed. Maybe some of my fans prayed for us, you know. So actually, I have seen, as we were relaxing, keeping quiet and watching watching outside the field, tumeona like the world, the way it is rolling. Actually, guys, we were asking, sasa sisi tunafanya nini?
Exactly.
Okay, mmoja nasemanga, watu siku hizi tunasemanga ati mababu na ma grand ndio wali identify TV, waka identify all these things, and we are living them, enjoying the money, enjoying every luxurious lifestyle, but a lot of violence is happening. And that is up to us to change everything, because it's us whom are hurting a lot. So guys, to me haikuwa poa vile amesema that we are having sleepless nights. Like it's like we are watching it, oh, we like it, let's continue with life, and it's damaging tomorrow our children that we give birth to, sindio? So guys, let me nitap ndani ya hiyo ya violence. Me, I would like to ask, not only in Kenya, not only in South Africa or other parts of the Africa or Asia, why are you boys violating the, let me call us the culture? You're violating them, you're not leaving them at peace, and then you're killing them. What are you satisfying in yourself? Because before you test that death, even you as a man, you're going to test the consequences of all those things that you're doing.
Okay.
no one tests the death without facing the consequences of his reaction or her reaction from birth child.
Your conscience will be against you, like we tu mwenyewe, you see, like we mwenyewe ndo uliamua kufanya, but we mwenyewe sasa after the deed, your conscience, like wewe mwenyewe utakuwa na hiyo self guilt, utakunaje. I don't think kuna mtu amefanya hiyo act and then anaishi like normal before he did whatever he did.
By then, what I can tell men is to respect girls. Because girls, respect them learning from those, sana wale wa vijana wenye wamelelewa na single mothers, those people who are being raised by single mother, the male ones, those males. Respect that girl that you're violating onto, because ukimviolate ukumbuke, anytime ukimwachia hiyo mimba, hata akufe, kumbuka vile mamaka alikulea. Remember how your mom took care of you. Is this like, okay, I'm even confused. I don't know where I can express that pain so that boy child wajue they are making a lot of confusion. They are destroying. It's like Jesus is about to come back.
As in, yeah, actually we can relate. As I was saying, the moment uyo boy child ajapata the love that he needed from his partner, hiyo si love. Tuanzie na wawili, hiyo couple, hiyo haikuwa love that was between them, because the moment love exists somewhere, ama love is present somewhere, there's no need kusema ati huyu anipei, hanisatisfy, hafanyi nini. Ndo maana wengi wetu wasichana tunajiingiza kwa relationships zenye zitatuweka mali kwingine kwenye hatutaki kujipata, ama tu anticipate hata kujipata. That is not love. To mistake love for anything lustful, for anything violent. Love is not that, and I'll defend that. And we all know that. Hata si ati I'm preaching ama ni nini. Si wote tunajua love is not anything that can lead you to assault someone. That's what I strongly believe. True. Yeah.
So boys, stop harassing the girl child, because by the time you're harassing that girl child, like, think about the society you're creating, the generation that you're pointing onto, those who are young who will listen to that. Because nowadays watu wenye wamezaliwa sahi wanafanya kenye unafanya.
Exactly.
Kenya ufanye ataifanya na umeza, mbona unafanya hii, niliona so and so amefanya kwa society so and so. Now what I'm like, how? Because guys, let me tell you, bado kuna chance ya kuchange. You can sit in 2 seconds or 1 second, sweep to another dimension of thinking. By the time you violate that woman, that girl, that young lady, it's the time weka kijana, we bado si kijana, mimi sikukount ka kijana, hata mwanamke ufai kuwekwa hapo. Like, dignity yako umeharibu, hata ufai kuitwa mwanaume. Mwanaume true ni ule mwenye ako na responsibility, atasema like, kuna wanaume mimi nawapendanga, like anasema mimi sitawahi kuita mamangu ni muombe usaidizi na niko na miguu na mikono naweza enda kufanya kazi. Mimi sitawahi gonga mwanamke, beta nitoke nje but nijipatie heshima yangu kama mwanaume. By the time mwanaume amejeka hiyo mentality, he's defined as a king. Yeah, he can lead even a generation, sindio? Because he can say that better I die than to let my enemy kill me. Like, for example, in history, unaona like many men who never wanted to rape young girls, they could say that better I take this poison better than raping. Yeah. And me, I wonder, kuna religions zingine. You see, let me tell you, my friend, like, I have like digged into this generation we are living into. Like, if you look in some religious that we are living into, leave alone for religious of this Christianity, other religions, unapata, like, for example, as Hindus, you can marry a young girl who is 5 years old. Now, and you're just an old man going to sleep over that young girl. Because me, I see that people whom our leaders are the one encouraging that. Like hao ndio wale wenye hata walikuwa were there when they were creating all this technology. As tumezaliwa tu juzi tumezipata. We have found that in our times robots we can buy robots, sindio? But during that time they're the ones who raped young children in laws, government laws, that as Islams we can marry until we look. Me, I see this thing to be solved. It inafaa kuwa solved from religions.
The irony in this whole situation is that the little child was raped at school.
Okay, in short, what we cannot
Like
imagine
opposite.
akiwezi fanyika, ilifanyika.
Ko bitaba nibyo byabaye. Uwo mwana w'umukobwa bamufatiye ku ishuri, aho ujyana umwana wawe buri gitondo umubyutsa ukamukura mu nzu yawe ukamujyana ku ishuri. Iryo shuri niryo rigomba kumuprotectinga, but the little child was like upon the future yake imeharibikia. Where sisi wote like hata as a parent, where like hata unge imagine hata nyumba yako si safe like kama shule ndo the most safest place unaweza peleka mtoto wako.
Where achana na shule, there is even this huku other countries, even here in Kenya, if you go to shop with your child or having fun in an occasion, you should not take your girl or your boy into the toilet alone. Mwacha afungue mlango na usimame, cause hakuna kitu na playground. Kwa choo siku hizi sasa wanaweka huko mababa wanasimama, mtoto unamweka ndani anatoka, hata atakwambia mam nimefanywa hii kwa hii choo ya hapa Garden City, ya pale Villa wapi,
hata rudi
sometimes. Yeah,
choo harudi.
Let's as youth in the government, those who have leadership, without rules, actually we are all damn in hell. Because I don't know where we are going.
Okay,
even in the toilet, not even at school, even in the toilets.
Hiyo kitu niliona kwa reels as I was scrolling. Huyo mama alikuwa na create awareness that wewe as a parent usipeleke mtoto wako dem kwa choo kama aujaingia na yeye.
Si dem peke, hadi vijana.
Hadi vijana wanafanyiwa what I cannot mention as I sit here. But what we can say, as in we have talked a lot, and we want to conclude this video. As we conclude to give our last words, ndo hata tusichukue much time like talking sense into people who are like going to see maybe this video and then they'll ignore it. Better we use like few words to those who are going to sit back and like wakuje into their senses and know that we have to take charge of what is happening, because after our lives, like hatuna maisha ingine by the way on this planet ama this earth. Hatuna maisha ingine hapa. Mungu akirudi, as in hakuna maisha ingine hata sisi tunajua. We all know that we only have one life to live, and we better live this life that we have in a better place ama in a better space. See what tuki, as in a better world, in other words.
Okay, me what I can say, let's make God the center of everything. And secondly, I speak out to all the government around the world. You're taking a lot of money from the society, saying that we will not report you, what. But remember, the innocent blood is still crying. Even here in Kenya, it's happening, guys.
And I hope
even though they are not talking,
who are seated there doing nothing. Aki, I hope you people have daughters also. I hope you have daughters, and you're conscious. You are led to do the right thing, because you people like
you leaders who are taking those bribes from those rich people, saying that yes, money talks but wealth whispers, and when it whispers, that's fire. So if you're taking that bribe, remember you have a daughter, you have that boy, and you're releasing them to go to school, living a better life of bribe that you're taking, I'm speaking this going to all the countries around the world. That child, same child of yours, it will be performed unto her or him.
I hope
because you're the root.
Wewe mwenye unawatch hii video, you seated down there watching this video, Aki, please just take 2 seconds to share this video and ifike as far as it can. Chukua tu dakika mbili, hata si dakika mbili.
Yeah, be the voice.
5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's one share. Of being the voice. Exactly. Yes, sisi tumeongea as we have talked through the camera. Even you have a right to share this video. Let it go like viral and let everyone sit and think about your children. Think about your children. Because whatever you're doing, guys, whatever the government is doing, we are the witness.
You'll have in the near future. Ndo maana hata mimi sina mtoto sahi, but I'm so bitter about this. Because
that's why you're speaking.
I'm a future mother. Na pia mimi ni msichana. And yeah, I might be a victim. I don't know ishindwe, but that's why we are speaking. And kama when you are a male, pia wewe kama uko na bibi, kama hauna utakuwa nayo, kama like utakuwa na bibi, I don't know, you have a mother mwenye alikuzaa, just speak out.
Yeah, and even to those who are very toxic, just do something which is right by sharing this video. Help a lot. Comment, actually talk in the commenting section. Just go in the commenting section, talk a lot, because let's be the voice actually. Because if you don't speak, the government will not do anything. It will continue taking bribe. Hata utaenda kesho report wachukue bribe na wanyamaze. So it's either share hii video, wengine wasaidike, hadi usaidike, usaidie your generation that you give birth. And thank you for listening unto ours.
All right, my last words. First of all, raping or sexual assault, let's not have this mindset that unarepiwa because umevaa nguo fupi, your seductive body. No, that little child hakuwa amevaa nguo fupi, hakuwa na seduce whoever did the deed, hakuwa memseduce. It's the mindset that ati sisi ni object. You are like, sitaki kusema you people, but they are viewing us kama objects na wao ni subject. No, they are not subject, na pia sisi si objects zao za kujisatisfy. Please, hiyo mindset tuiweke kando, because that is out of consideration kwa hii point. Second, let's be the voice, because hakuna mtu mwingine ati wenye walikufa watafufuka wakuje watuongelele on our behalf. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo ita happen. So we better get out of our comfort zone na to speak out, guys, because after this, kama if we don't speak out, ndo hiyo kesi it happened for the next decade. We don't know, we are not sure. What if tusingoje hiyo decade iishe ndo tuone results? What if we speak now?
Yeah, and let's stop whispering the truth and just making noise on rooftop about bribes. No, let's stop that. Let's not whisper and let's speak the truth louder.
Maybe our cases haziku pop out like her case did. And also we comfort the families of the victims, because to be honest, it's never easy. It's never easy. I can imagine. It's not easy for those families. We also love you, and yeah, take heart.
And don't forget to share. Yeah, thank you. Ciao, ciao.